JavaScript also?
Yeah, in ASP.NET, basic JavaScript we'll cover.
Oh, okay.
ASP.NET, because that is web application related, right?
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. If you have any list with you, you can just share with me, ma. I can explain any topics related.
I don't have any right now.
That's fine. Anyway, I will cover everything. But total JavaScript we never cover. We'll show how to implement JavaScript related things into ASP.NET. Like that we'll cover.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because I am seeing every job requirement is asking JavaScript also, so that's why I'm asking.
Yeah. First, let you know C hash. Once we enter into ASP.NET,
Okay.
this we'll be knowing.
Okay.
So these are not that thing. So I'm going very much fastly because hoops concepts already you know all these things, right? Which may be refreshing for you.
I don't remember all these.
Because yeah, it's long back. It's not a problem. Once you enter into the things, everything will be refreshed. Take some time, not more than 1 or 2 months after you got job.
Okay.
You're going through a consultancy job because or else you need to attend the interviews also.
Yes, I need to attend interviews.
Interviews means this theory part, each and everything should be important. Syntaxes, everything. And coding, because any product has their own coding standards.
Okay.
We'll have sample code like that. It's not a big deal for you. Yesterday only I have said, right, ma, abstract classes
Do
means.
you have any study material or interview questions like that?
If you want, you can search online. If you want, I can send you, because anyway you will do. First you write down the code, whatever I am saying from first. What is a class? What is abstract? These are only the questions. Auto class, call by references, call by values, types of classes, abstract classes, sealed class. All these things will be covered, ma'am. What is base keyword, this keyword, delegates, all these things. You first attend one interview and let me know after completion of course. If you have any doubts, I'll give my personal mail ID.
Okay.
Yeah, if you missed anything, we can cover. It's not a big deal for me. It's not a simple thing that saying class like that, right?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, it's not a big problem. But what I'm saying is, after thing also, again I need to recollect, because I'll say, right, they'll come, madam, you missed. Again I need to recollect this. Here I have covered you. You can go ahead. Then they'll know, oh, it's covered. I need to study like that.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. I'll let you know.
Yeah. Abstract classes means, already I said, it's not a full function class, ma. Okay. Let me explain one multi-dimensional array program. We haven't shown you the output, right? What I missed is this one, x dot I showed you, right? Let me start debugging. That you tried a conversion of ones into numbers, string into numbers. See, total how many elements we are having? 12 elements here. Total number of elements. First, see ma, these three lengths. Length means it counts number of elements in an array.
Yes.
Rows, get length of 0, get length of 1. Okay. And
Okay.
here, this I am passing one for rows and one for loop for columns. And overall, I'm just tracing the number of elements here, which are contained in my array. I'm having total number of 12 elements, 3 rows, 4 columns, and overall elements.
Okay, yes.
Okay. And I didn't remember that name of what I have given.
Jagged arrays example, right?
Jagged arrays, you try the same thing. What you need is, here you change this. The syntax I have given you, you have, or I need to show?
No, I'll do that. Okay.
You have?
Yes, I have.
You try with this. Only this will change, right? And we cannot give number of rows we can count, but number of columns we cannot count because specific rows, right?
Yes.
Specific columns. Only this thing changes. You try. If not, I'll explain it.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll write an example on abstract class now. Later I'll give the explanation. That will be easy for you, right? I'm declaring abstract class shape. Your husband works on which technology?
He's working as a Oracle developer.
Oracle.
SQL.
Okay. So you can. This is I'm having a method without thing, without body. So this is not fully functional method, right? So I'm declaring this method as abstract because I have ended here itself. I don't have any internal logic in this method. Okay. So I'm ending like this. After that, I'm having one more class as circle class. First, let me complete as a very fastly class ma, and if you're having any errors, that will be easy. Class circle colon. Why it's giving error? It should not give error. Let me see. Radius equal to some 10 value, and see public override keyword we need to use if I'm using other classes abstract method. Okay.
Okay.
This is the thing you need to remember, ma. These are, see, this is already predefined method is there. Okay. If I'm using other classes, normal method means not required override keyword. When I have to take the help of override keyword means whenever I'm using other classes abstract method, then I need to write override method because it has to provide some logic. No, it's not because it's not a fully function class.
Okay.
These are the things you just put it in your mind. Like what are the we need to refresh is these type of things in interviews.
Okay.
Why we need to use override keyword means it is not a full function class. For example, I'm having one car in my garage which I'm not using regularly. One of my friend wants to use it. So it's not a full function car. So she can take and repair and she can use. So here repair is nothing but override keyword.
Okay.
And one more thing, ma, for abstract classes, we cannot create object. This is also you need to remember. I can directly say as, because circle is a normal class, circle C equal to new circle of. This also you remember. So I can use C dot print of C dot find area of, okay, C dot disp of, okay, and which is abstract class ma? Shape S, right?
Yes.
This is nothing but creating reference. See, if I'm writing shape S equal to new shape of, it will scold you, it will give you error, because this is an abstract class. We cannot create an object for abstract class because it's not a full function. So what we need to do, we can create a reference. Reference means what ma? Class name with one variable, prefixed with one variable is nothing but creating a reference variable. Okay, but I'm having one method here, right, where printf method is there in shape, right? Okay, if I want to view this output, what I need to do is I need to um, equalize this reference variable with normal class variable, that is nothing but C, right? Now yes dot print of, yes dot find area. What you need to remember in abstract keyword means 3 points ma. What are those?
We need to use the word override.
Yes, if I'm using other abstract class method, then it is used override keyword. And if I'm writing an abstract method, means how you will identify. If I'm using abstract keyword before that, that is nothing but abstract. And we
Okay.
cannot create an object for abstract class, but we can create abstract reference variable. Okay, how I'm having some methods, right? So if I want to use those methods, I need to equalize this abstract variable with normal class object.
Okay.
Okay, okay ma.
Okay. When do we need these abstract classes in real time?
Real time means, that's what I'm having full functioned things. It's not a full functioned class, but still it has something. In those type of scenarios, we need to take help of this. We will be coming to know if it is not a function class, full function, then instead of why to waste memory abstract thing, so declare it as abstract. If
Okay.
it is not a full function, then it is called as abstract class.
Okay.
How come we will be knowing is, I'm having a method, right, and no, I'm not using that. So what I'll do,
Sorry.
we need to declare it as abstract class. I'm having one karma, but I'm not using. So after 6 months, how it will become if you're not using?
Yeah.
It will become repair. Okay, so then what I'll do, we need to at least give servicing like that. So those type of cars we need to declare, those type of classes we need to declare as abstract. If I'm having full function methods but I'm not using, so instead of declaring as a full function class, declare it with abstract keyword.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
next I'll show you one more simple logic called as interface. Interfaces are fully abstract. Why abstract means only one method. If we are having, why to declare class? Declare it as abstract interface abstract. It's enough, right? For that single class, why to declare class like that? In this, you will be knowing all these things.
Okay.
Abstract interfaces are fully abstract. I'll explain you now. Okay, syntax is interface name. You asked without void why we need, that is here. Interface name. Okay, void read of, no public, because if interfaces are fully public, no private and public protected, so no need to declare public again here.
Okay.
You got my point? Interfaces are fully abstract. Again, same interfaces we cannot create object, but we can create reference. Okay, are you clear or you're getting confused?
Yes, I'm clear.
You're clear, right? I'll give you one simple example, you'll get. Interface, I'm naming it with I1, my interface name. Okay, I said right, interface nothing but supporting multiple inheritances. I'm having void read off. I'm just having method ma. That's it. I'm having one more interface called as I2. In this, I'm having print of method void print of. I'm inheriting here colon I2, I1, sorry. Means now interface I2 has how many methods ma?
2 methods.
Two methods. Okay. Now I'm without class, without taking any class help, interfaces can't be executed. So we need one class. Class test. Okay. Inheriting I2 means even it has what it has, two methods, both print and this thing. Now directly I'm using simple logic ma, public void read off. See, now you tell me the thing ma. I'll create, what is my class name? Test, huh? Yeah, test t1 equal to new test of. Okay,
Mm.
t dot read off, t dot print off. Okay, and for I2 interface, I am creating a variable. What is this? This is a reference variable, right? I think you remember. Because why? It is an abstract class. I cannot create I2 equal to new I2 off, right? Okay, you got confused. Now what I need to do? I need to equalize this reference variable with what? Normal class object. Now only x dot print off, I can use two methods, right? X dot print off. I am having I1 also, right? Interface. I am creating, oh, same object. Okay. I am having I1 object with Y reference variable. So what I need to do, I need to again equalize with what? T. How many I'll get here? Shall I get two read off or print off method? Only one
Yes.
method. Yes? Clear, ma? Understand the code here, otherwise I'll explain. You got any? Are you clear? Why is not having here printf method? Because it is the first interface, right?
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Okay.
Okay, I think you are clear. What is the first output I'll get? First output I'll get of read. This is from class output, right? This is also from class output. This is from which output? I2.
Right.
This is
I.
interface I2.
I.
Last one is of which one?
I1.
I1. Up to here, any clear?
Okay. Is it necessary to declare the class top of the interface, or
You mean to say, code wherever you want you can write, but without the support we cannot run this, right? Because
okay?
why these, you mean to say that I can write here, right?
Yeah, I mean, I'm
Hmm.
talking about class, not this one.
Where above.
Yes. Class.
That's what I'm saying. Even though if you're having methods, we cannot show output here because those are interfaces. So we need to take the help of things. For example, one handicapped guy is there, ma. He had some problem like limb or orthopedic. So other than that, his body parts are functioning very properly. So instead of that, we are taking help of some other stick or like that he is doing. In that way, interfaces, it's not fully function, but it has its own methods. It will give help to some other fully function class. You're clear?
Yes. Yes. Okay.
It's nothing but ma, we need to achieve all features, right? Whenever we are creating a new language, we need to achieve all features. So this is nothing but multiple interface concept. Multiple interface.
Okay.
I'm having, for example, I'm having one shop. In my area, most of the things I can sell is only fruits. Most of the customers like fruits. So instead of going, I have concentrated only on fruits. So because my business is like that. In some other area, vegetables. In some other area, clothes. Instead of having a full shopping complex is nothing but a full class. Interface, I can say it is a simple class.
Okay.
You got my point, right? It's
Yes.
nothing
Yes.
but based on your requirement, project requirement, coding requirement, our logic should change, right?
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Okay, you are clear, right?
Yes. Now I'm.
Yeah. Because why I'm showing all this means I don't know which scenario comes for you in your project. We need to cover all those things. Okay. Today I'll explain you Windows Forms properties. We'll go today with all these things, ma. Windows application properties. Okay. I'm go for F7, my F7, F7, I'll go for code window. At least wear small Chetty ribbon, please. F7 means we'll, or else right click on the form, view code. Okay, Pranita.
Okay.
Yeah. Now I'll come here. Defined form is there, right? What I'll write code here is class test predefined method is there, right? I'm using that class only form. I'm not writing anything, just I'm declaring and closing. Fine, we'll keep one button control because when I click on that, let us come. Sound like it's okay, Seema. Whenever I'm clicking here, I got one more form. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Here what I did, I have inherited a form. Okay. Now I'll show you when I press F4, this is nothing but properties window, right? Okay.
Okay.
Now I'll give you one simple example by changing all these things, ma. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, you'll get this recording, right? Anyway.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
What I'll do is I have opened one Windows form application because you need to suggest properties here, ma. Uh, right click form properties. Okay. Back color equal to, I'll choose it as web black. Okay. Form border style equal to none. Form border style equal to none. Okay. After that, Windows state. Windows state equal to, I'm removing the whole size. Windows state equal to maximized. Okay. After that, come to here. Place one picture box control. We are having controls, right? Place one. I'm placing one picture box control. Okay. And place one. First, we'll provide image for this. Right click. Properties. Uh, image location. Provide image property should there. We need to select some image. Browse option is there. Huh? Choose properties. We need to browse one image, ma. We'll take this sample one. Any image. Okay. After that, comfort design, toolbox, place one, timer control. Okay. And properties, enable equal to true. Okay. And code for timer control. Double click on this, write down. I'm just declaring one code in some value, int x equal to 0, x equal to x plus 5 if x greater than 350, x equal to 0. Picture box 1 dot, location equal to new point x comma x. Okay, now go to form properties, ma. Okay, this symbol is nothing but events. Okay, a symbol. Click on key press event, key related events we need to search here. Yeah, key press event is there, right? Click there. We have written code for key press event. See.
Okay.
Okay. I'll write simple logic application dot exit off. Now I'm executing C. See how it is looking like a screensaver application.
Oh, okay.
Why it's going means I have given up to 350, right? So the pixel is shipping from 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, like that up to. So now I don't have close option. So if I press any key on the keyboard, it will application will terminate because I have written code for key press event application dot exit.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you can exclude this value. If you want to, you can change this. The pixel changes from that to that.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. Okay.
Yeah. Now I'll show you one more simple. These are the different controls I'll handle now. Windows. I'll show you one simple application. Windows application properties 2. Okay. Go for toolbox. Place context menu strip ma. What I'll type here is color. Next exit. Okay. Next I'll code for color option means select here. Click on double click on colors. You already know this logic. Color dialog cd equal to new color dialog of cd dot show dialog of this dot back color equal to color cd dot color, because cd dot color at the runtime whatever the color we need to select. Come for here, exit, double click on exit. What I need to do, application dot exit off. Go for form properties, right click on the form properties F4. What we need to set here, context menu strip property will be there for this form. Context menu strip, yeah, here, right? As of now, none. Now I'm making it as, already I have kept one, right? I'm setting to that. Now you execute the application, see. This is the thing what we got, right? Right click on the form, you will get whatever you have placed. Right click on the form, right click option, right?
Okay.
Color, whatever the color you are selecting. Okay. Right click, you know what is exit code I have written to terminate. Okay, these are the different some basic things I'll show you. Accept, cancel button. One, two, three. I have taken uh, two buttons. Okay, three labels and three text box. First one, I'm making it as ENO, employee number, employee name, sal. For this, I'm making it as accept button, add, after that clear. Okay. Now code for button 1, accept, or accept we can say, what add. Okay, code for button 1, this dot back color equal to color dots. I said you write for each control. For loop we have, I said, you remember for loop second syntax, this is special in C hash. You remember while saying loops.
Yes, yes.
So what I said in this dot, what I said, it is coming here, controls. In the form, what are the different controls are there? In that, I just want to highlight with some control, that's it. If C dot get type, with that I am taking get type of dot name double equal to I'm making it as text box. Next, c.text equal to empty. Okay. Now come to form properties. Right click on form properties. Here we have properties like accept button, cancel button. Two properties will be there. Yeah, accept button is none, right? So you assign button, cancel button, cancel button. You make it as 2. I have written a code. If I'm at the runtime, if I'm writing code if I have written some code, if I need to clear some text, so instead of writing text box 1.text, text box 1.3.text, what I have written a code. Overall controls I can clear it out. You got my point?
Yes.
Okay. Otherwise, how you need to write? For example, as of now, I am having 3 text boxes. So what I need to write? If my big application is having text box 1 dot text equal to empty or string dot empty, anything you can do like this. How many text boxes you are having, those many text boxes we need to clear instead of that, simple, what we can do?
Control.
Okay, control level.
Um, double equals to means 2 or
Assigning, we
assign.
are totally assigning, right? It's not a single.
Okay.
Accept means form back color, that's it. Okay, I'll show one more simple thing. Help button is there. What you do is place one button control. Okay, go for form properties help button equal to true. Help button is false, right? I'm making it as a true. After that, maximize box equal to false. Maximize box equal to false. Minimize button equal to false. Come to forms. See here I am getting only my question mark button. Okay.
Okay.
Now place one tooltip control. We are having a tooltip control tooltip. Yes, this one. Now code for button properties F4. This S is nothing but events, right? Default event is click. If you want to write specially means, now I want to write help requested event. Go there, select that one, double click there. You have entered code now for not for click event,
Okay.
help requested.
Oh.
What you want to write the text on thing, you need to write here I'll write click here to do something. Now execute the application. Now click on button, nothing is coming see, go for help requested event, click on that, see Along with your cursor, some small, it is coming. You remember cursor, question mark.
Yes, yes, yes.
Now click here. Now it will say click here to do something, whatever the text you have given, along with tooltip.
Oh, okay.
Okay, again if you want, one more time. Instead of that, you are simply clicking, it won't come. When you click here, you need to come here.
Okay.
Okay. Now we'll deal with, after properties, some basic, these are the properties again you need to come. We'll go with some events like focus related events, drag and drop events, like different events will be there, right? I'll concentrate on main events.
Okay.
Working with events now. Event means, what is the difference between events and properties, ma?
Um, Events means we are creating some
Ah,
buttons and that.
yes. What about that?
We are, I mean, we are assigning some.
No, properties means which defines our physical thing, right?
Yes,
Like
yes.
she's somewhat height, somewhat texture, somewhat color, complexion. Events means what we do. She goes to office, she'll cook, whatever, all those things comes under events. Properties means physical appearance. Events means the things which an object do.
Okay.
I'll give you some simple examples on that. Windows application, event, app, application. Okay. I'll take two labels and two text boxes, ma.
We are selecting multiple buttons. Are you holding control button?
Pardon?
When you are selecting multiple buttons or tool, like,
Uh,
are you
hmm.
holding control button?
No, ma. Just double click on that twice. One click, one double click is nothing but one control will automatically placed on the form.
Okay.
That's it. I'm giving properties, employee number, E&O, e-name. Okay. This should be text box 1. Yes, correct one. What I'll do is place one error will place one error provider control toolbox. We are having a property called as error provider control error. Yeah, here where is. Okay, I have placed one error provide control. Ma. Now I'm writing code for text box 1, properties, events, leave event. Text box leave event. Okay, leave event is there, right? Okay. If text box 1 dot text trim off method means, what is the use of trim off method means, if it is having any empty values also, it won't accept. Error provider 1 dot set error of text box 1. What should I have? See, if I'm simply typing one and some Ravi like that, it won't give any error. Now mark close this. Again F5. Instead of employee number, if you try to enter e-name, click on, it will see error is blinking or not.
Oh, okay.
Keep your cursor there. E-number should not be empty. It will blink until and unless you enter e-number. like validations. Okay. Now I'll show you some focus related events. Toolboxes. Picture box control. Code for form mouse movement. So how I need to go, right click on form, properties, okay, mouse move, okay, here, picture box one dot, location equal to new point. E is a predefined variable, right? E dot x comma every dimension has 2 dimensions, right? Now you execute the application. See, along with your cursor, image is moving on the form, right?
Okay.
If you want to hide the cursor, if you want only your image, you hide the cursor. Cursor dot hide off. See, now cursor won't come here. Only image whatever you have selected. Like this, you just take small events which will move like that.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Exit. I'll take now drag and drop events also. Take one text box control. Okay. Properties ma multi-line equal to true. Property multi-line equal to true means address bar like it will come. Scroll bar. You got my point, right? Okay. And for this, if multi-line equal to true, we need to make it as allow drop equal to false, allow drop equal to true, because for drag and drop events this should be true always, drag and drop events.
Okay.
Now I'll write a code for text box 1, drag enter events, drag enter events. Okay. If e dot data dot get date present what is this syntax ma? You need to remember enum. Any data type within brackets is nothing but you got data dot get data brackets date formats dot text, where it has to come into text box 1 dot text. It has to come in the format of what? Equal to S. Okay. Now you execute the application. Open one Windows form or notepad, or already notepad is open, right? Drag this control text, copy, drag and drop, or else we'll take Windows. No text is there. Some data is there, right? Copy this, drag and drop. Okay, Pranita,
Yes, yes.
you're
Okay.
clear, right?
Yes.
Drag and drop events from documents. Why I have written dot text format means uh, it should contain only text related, not some. If you are dragging some image related, it will error.
Oh, okay.
Here you will have different formats. Get data, which format you have, you enter here. You will get all the symbol link, string format, whatever you want, RTF, RIF, all these things.
Okay.
Okay. Now I'll show you one application with combo box control. What is the difference between combo box? I think you know. And list box, ma? Both holds multiple items, but in combo box at a time we can select
Two
one.
items.
In list box we can select multiple. For example, if employee registration, employee department, he will be in one, either finance, sales, everything. Hobbies, I can go with list box, right? Multiple hobbies.
Okay.
Okay, it has properties of combo boxes. Anyway, properties will have item, okay, selected item and selected index, all these things. Events, I'll explain you. I'll simply give one simple example. Open Windows, place one combo box control, yeah, here it is, and go for properties, add whatever the items you want. I'm adding as of now circle, ellipse. Okay, ma. Code for combo box 1, selected index, default EVS is selected index only. Okay. I'll show you one simple example. Graphics path should contain, graphics path class is not there. Huh? I'll write, see ma, how will I will extract? GRAPHICS graphics path. Let me write this. See, now whenever I'm adding this namespace, automatically this class has been come. New graphics path of. We need to set thing. Right click resolve means we'll get that, we will automatically that will be there. I'll check. Okay, I'm declaring one variable I equal to combo box 1 dot selected index if I double equal to 0 g dot add ellipse. I'm just passing some values, 10 comma 10 comma 200 comma 200. This dot region equal to new region of G. Else select the circle. See, output what you got, the selected thing output, whatever values I have given, only those are selected, otherwise are hidden. If you select ellipse, see the form is changing with this. Nothing, I have just taken one class with a, by changing these dimensions you can draw square, circle, all those things.
You wrote
Okay.
ellipse both times, right?
Pardon? These are providing some dimensions. And I'm selecting only the region which I have passed those dimensions only. Other than it won't taken. It won't be high. It will be hidden. Clear? Any doubt here in this?
You didn't write circle there, right?
Where I have written circle, I have added as a form properties, right? Items. You remember this? Ellipse and circle.
Okay.
Okay. I'll give you one simple new example on list box also. View. Take one label control and one list box. Okay. Code for form load means here double click on the form. Add, I'll explain after writing this. I'll explain using system.drawing dot text system dot collections. Okay. Code in GD what I'm writing is installed font collection. New installed font color control set. See, as of now, what I have did, form load event means what, ma? What are your, whenever you are executing the logic, then only if you want to need the code to be executed means that type of code we need to write in form load. Okay. Hello.
Yes, yes. Okay.
You got my point, right, Pranita? Whatever I'm trying to say.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. So what now? Whatever I'm selecting here, that what font should affect here. I'll show that code. See, if you're not writing this thing, Control Z, what it will happen? You see. Oh, int I, yeah. Okay. If I'm not equalizing this double equal to, it will throw an error because it will internal thing will come. Now for what I need to write code? Code for form list box 1 selected index changed event, right? Okay, what I'll write? String is equal to list box 1 dot list box 1 dot selected item dot toString. Means at the runtime whatever I am selecting it should bind. And what I label 1 dot font equal to new, what happened? I'm just 20 means the size I'm mentioning. That's it. Now execute the application. It is throwing error because that font is not supported.
Okay.
All these things you can keep as exception. Arial black, Arial narrow, all these things. Caliber. Okay. This is about list box. With these form properties and controls, I'll show you one notepad application, how to design our own notepad. Okay. Before going to design notepad application, we are having a topic called as file input output. File input output means IO operations, we'll call them as.
Okay.
Okay. For this, .NET C# supports namespace called as system.io. IO means input output, which has 6 classes. One is directory info, next file, file info, next stream reader, stream writer. Okay, directory means already you know in which directory you are having. I'll show I'll give you example so that each and class you will understand, ma. It will be easy for you. Later I'll give a notepad application, directory application. Take one list box and one more list box and one combo box. Okay, so now what I'll do is it has two methods, ma. Which one? Directory class has two methods. One is get directories of, so that from my system how many are there, and one more get files, how many files are there in that particular thing. The same logic I'll implement here. Code for form load means how many drives are there. Here we need to take using system.io namespace. Okay, I will take array, because why I am taking array here, why not for loop or variable, ma? Because all directories are similar collection of objects or not. You're clear?
Yes.
Array is a collection of similar objects, right?
Yes.
So first I'm taking, because similar objects, all drives I can say it as similar collection of objects. In that, how many drives are there? So I need to take the help of for loop.
Okay.
All these where I require combo box one dot, I need to add item. See, earlier example in that circle and ellipse I have added. Now from the system itself I am taking items dot add, from where I need to add x of which variable of x of array and which variable, ma? I of I. How I need to add dot toString of. Don't get confused. Okay, now you execute the application. As of my system has only C drive, only one drive in my system. You try in your system how many drives it will listed here. Now I'll write a code. Whatever, if I select C drive here, C drive related file should select here. If I'm selecting one file here, that particular folder file should display in some other list box.
Okay.
Okay, I'll write code for combo box 1 selected index changed event. So where I need to add list box 1 dot items dot clear off, means if I'm multiple things, first we need to clear. I will explain you one. String s equal to combo box 1 dot selected item dot toString of. Okay, see now I'm putting try block, ma, try catch syntax. I don't know how many are there, but all are of similar type, right? So I need to take array C equal to, where it is there, I already said we are having directory class dot get directories of which variable, one variable s. Now, how many are there? We don't know, right? So I'm taking for loop. For int I equal to 0, I less than c dot length, right? Length I plus plus. All these where you need to add ma? List box 1 dot, how it has to add? Items dot add of method. How it need to add? In which array it is? In C array. With what variable? With what variable?
C.
I.
Sorry, I.
Every try should end with what? Catch. IO exception means if you are trying to open one file which is not there, then it should throw error, right? Instead of that, I am writing one exception. What we need to write? Message box dot show I message. Message box dot show IE dot message. This is the syntax. Up to now, wherever you are getting exception, you put like this ma. Not IE here, whatever you want. File not found, like that.
Oh, okay.
Select C. All C related files has come here. Now you write a code for list box 1 selected events. Whatever you are selecting here in asset box, what are there? It has to be listed here.
Okay.
The same code for list box 1 selected index changed event. You write and execute. Okay. Next, file info means already files. I'll explain you, I'll give simple examples. How to read the existing file into your system, I'll show. Next is stream reader. Stream reader class, this is used, class is used for read data from existing file in your system. Existing file in your system. Stream writer class is used to write a new file into system. Means if you can create your own new notepad and any text file from your system with stream reader. Okay. Methods ma. Methods of this is read line of means line by line. Read to
Okay.
end is there, means complete file it will read at a time and post it here.
Oh, okay.
Methods of these are write and write line. One is write method, other one is write line, other one we have flush of method, it will fully push the whole file. I'll give one simple example. Stream writer application. Take one text box and button. Take one text box. Properties F4, multi-line equal to make it as true. Button, make it as save. I am creating a new file ma. Double click for, I said using system.io namespace we need to add, right? Using system.io. What you need to write? Which class we need to write? Stream writer. Stream writer SW equal to new Why it is coming here? In this you mention C colon C colon backward slash ABC dot txt. Any file name which is not existing because this is new one. Okay. SW dot write. Where you are writing, ma? In your application, whatever you are writing in text box 1.
File.
Text box 1 dot text. Where we need to push, right? SW dot, I said flush off method is there. Means it will completely push into the path. Where in C, go and search in your system whether I have in C colon, I have abc.text, you just search, ma. I don't have, right? Right now. With your application, now it will create a new file. Hello, hello, hi, some text. Save, file created. Okay. Come to here, see ABC text is created or not from our application, .NET application. Okay. Now I'll create a new notepad, new file. Or else we'll read this file into our thing. Next thing, next application, stream writer, instead of going new stream writer. Stream reader, right?
Reader.
Already existing file will read into this. Take one text box and one button control. Read properties multi-line equal to true. Code for what we need to write, add namespace system.io stream reader sr. Okay, in that what we need to mention, ma? C colon abc.txt, right? Where it has to come, that text into your application. I need to get into text box 1.text equal to, how you need to get sr dot read to end, read line of which way you want, you can write. I want full file at a time, so I'm writing end of method.
Okay.
Okay. If you want line by line, read off, read to line off, like that you can use it. Okay. Can we continue session for more 10 minutes so that I'll give you one notepad application
Okay.
like this, huh? Because so that it will, because all these notepad contains these stream reader classes only. I'll show you how to generate our own notepad application now.
Okay.
New project. I'm making it as notepad application, and just now I have shown you one screensaver application, right, ma? Go to that path. It contains .exe extension. Change that as src. Means screensaver extension is src. You can use your own screensaver application as your screensaver also. Okay. For this notepad application, open Windows application. Okay. Place one place one text box. Properties ma, right click properties, multi-line equal to true, and we are having one property called as doc. Doc equal to I am filling fully. Middle means full, means this text box occupies the whole form. Okay, like this. All this white comes under text box. After that, place, come to design. See how it has been occupied. Come to toolbox. Place one menu strip control. We are having menu strip control. Okay, and provide the options like this. I am providing first option as file. Below file, what it contains? New. After that, open. After that, save. After that, exit. Come to here, I'll make it as edit. Under edit, what we'll have? Cut, copy. After that, paste. After that, format. In format, I'm giving only two: font and colors. Here, I'm making it as utilities. Some extra, it's up to you. Here, you can make it as calculator if you want calculator from here itself, and solitaire game will be there, right? These are all your things. Okay.
Okay.
See, now if I click here, whatever I have entered, it's there. Where utilities I haven't typed, I have typed, right?
Yes.
It's coming. After that, code for new option, right click here, new option. Text box one dot text equal to string dot empty. Okay, code for, okay, now we need to code for new option means click here, it will enter there. Now go to toolbox, place open file dialog, open file dialog control. After that, save file dialog control, save file dialog control, font dialog, font dialog, color dialog. Okay, on the form. For open option, we need to add two namespaces here, using system.io, using system dot. I'll show you why we require diagnostics here. Okay, code for open option. Okay, here file dialog one dot show dialog of string s equal to one dot file name, means which one you want to open. After that, message box dot show what you in the string. Now how we need to open this? With the help of what? Existing file means stream reader sr equal to new stream reader of. From where I need to get into S. Where I need to get this into text box 1 dot text sr dot full file means read to end of. Okay. Code for save option, new file saving. Save file dialog 1 dot stream reader, stream writer we require, right? Stream writer SW equal to new stream writer of exit already code, you know. What simple line? Application
Exit.
exit. Edit cut. Cut means yes dot. You will declare one variable in string in GD because that will be used all the cases. Instead of declaring a number of times, I'll declare once. Yes equal to text box 1 dot copy s equal to where you need to text box 1 dot selected text, paste ulta text box 1 dot selected text equal to s. Font dialog 1 dot show dialog of text box 1 dot font equal to font dialog 1 dot font. Next for colors, we already know colors is common. For color equal to color. Come to here, utilities. Calculator means what is the exact calculator? I didn't remember. Calculate CALC I think, right? Calculator I'm not sure. Sima. How it is executing file, open, we'll go for C colon. I'll open this ABC text, open, okay, okay. File new, write hi, hello, or else something A, B, C, okay. File, save. We'll give new file open. What is the thing we have given? New. It is giving some IO exception because it's being used by another process. Okay, it has been opened or what? Continue. Put it in a try block, all these things. Okay, it got opened. Okay, now what we need? File exit means we already know, right? Save. Cut. Select this one. Cut. Okay. Select this one. Copy. Paste means paste. Font color. Whatever the font you want, whatever the texture you want, okay. Whatever color you want. See here, in I think Notepad we don't have color facility, but here we in this .NET we can have. We have normal thing, we have font here, color no. But here we are having our own thing is colors. Utilities means from here you can open solitaire game.
Oh, okay.
I think in my system it's not there. I was trying to open the file. Calculator. Yes, the name it is okay. From my application itself, I was opening to calculate.
Oh, okay.
Okay. What you do is put all these try catch block. That's it.
Try catch. Okay.
Okay. Today we will close the session itself, and tomorrow we'll go with high catch exceptions. What you'll say?
Okay.
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 And tomorrow, of course, we'll start with ADO.NET concepts, ma. Prepare with that, with these things, okay? Or you have, because it's already late for you, right?
Yeah, it's 11 o'clock only. Okay.
Oh, carry on, ma. Sorry, carry on. Because this topic I need to end because it will be good for me and for you.
Yes, I need to practice.
Yeah. Tomorrow 6:45. Fine.
Yes, same time is fine.
Fine, right?
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. Hi, Ganesh. Please plan class by 6:45. Any doubts we'll have on, we will clear on. I'll message him. It's not a big deal. Okay, ma.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's
Okay.
not a big problem. Go ahead. If you have any doubts, come with doubts after class also. It's not a big deal. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. We'll close the session here. Bye.